Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by pairing the controller and preparing the browser. Plug in or pair the controller via Bluetooth, then make sure Windows recognizes it under Devices. Once done, open YouTube in Chrome or Edge and click the video area to give it keyboard focus. This step matters because input will route from the controller to the browser only when it has focus. Make sure any third-party mapping apps are off for now, so default keys work predictably. Now you map and test controls step by step. Play a short video and press the obvious buttons, O or X to play /pause, bumpers to seek small increments, triggers for volume. Notice how each input responds. If native input is insufficient, use Steam input or anti-micro to remap keys. Assign space for play, left/right arrows for seek, and up/down for volume. Once mapping is saved, return to the browser and verify finish by locking in your settings and validating behavior across playlists. Save the mapping profile and test with several videos to confirm consistency. If something goes wrong, first check for lag, switch USB ports or move closer if Bluetooth. Ensure no other apps are intercepting input. Make sure the browser has focus. Restart the browser or PC and repair the controller if needed. As a key troubleshooting tip, disable or quit other controller utilities. They often cause conflicts with your saved mapping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.